Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel, your ultimate guide to mastering social media. Today, we're diving into a highly requested tutorial creating a custom location on Instagram. Whether you're a business owner looking to increase the visibility or just want to add a personal touch to your post, this tip is for you. Let's get started. Now, simply you need to do is open Instagram account. Click on the plus icon in the bottom and select any picture from your gallery. And if you want, you can edit picture however you like. Then you need to click on next. And here you can see lots of options. Here you can see add location and you can simply click on the location you want to add. Here you can select the custom location or you can turn on your location services. And this is how you create a custom location on Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe our channel if you found this helpful. And thank you for watching our video.